The Staywell Necklace Air Purifier is a wearable air purifier that keeps you safe from pollution wherever you go. It's a small, easy-to-use device that doesn't require filters and can run all day on a single charge. It's ideal for preventing air pollution while traveling, working, or living in polluted areas. Our product has been featured in Aaj and Silicon India magazine, which awarded us as one of the top 10 most promising air purifiers brands 2023. The device emits negative ions, anions, that attach to pollutants like viruses, smoke particles, and dust. These ions are drawn to positively charged objects around you, creating a clean air zone around your head. They are said to have several benefits for your health and well-being. Negative ions can help purify the air by neutralizing pollutants and reducing exposure to harmful substances. Staywell Necklace Air Purifier can be used on the neck, baby stroller, desktop, and bedside. Negative ions are thought to have a positive effect on mood, energy, and well-being by increasing serotonin production and reducing stress and anxiety. Staywell air necklaces are lightweight, portable, and convenient to wear, so you can enjoy the benefits of negative ions wherever you go. The Staywell Necklace Air Purifier is a great way to improve your health and well-being. It purifies the air around you, reduces stress and anxiety, and boosts your mood and energy levels. Learn more or buy one today at www.staywelltechnologies.com.